got.
Taking a video.
I don't think it's got what it takes over that.
Oh, taking this tire off. And we'll be putting on this tire. Yeah. And then we go over here. There's my truck. Gotta get new tires put on it. So, grill looks nice. And tires look shitty. There's the interior. Gotta kind of fix that. But yeah, it's a work in progress. You know, gonna repaint all this. There's the other tires, all over in there somewhere. This is a visor. It's gonna go up there. And then got a dual exhaust. I'll start it up here in a second. There's one side. There's the other. Then there's Travis.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Howdy.
This is kind of in bad shape, but yeah. Actually, just put new floor mats in. Yeah. So, and that's about it. So yeah. Forgot about the engine. What's going on? There's the engine, looking nice like always. Sounds pretty good too. So yeah, got the fuel filter. Yeah, that's about it.
Yeah.